Today we are going to multiply whole numbers and fractions, and we're going to be using visual models and symbols. This connects to Remote Learning Week 3, Lesson 1. That lesson is called Multiply Whole Numbers and Fractions. This comes from the Remote Learning Instruction Notes based on the BCPS packets. Our learning objective. We will multiply whole numbers by fractions by using models, repeated addition strategies, and equations in order to solve real-world problems. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on using models and equations. So we can solve for the product using models or symbols. So we're going to look at the equation of 3 times 2/5. And we know that we can write groups of instead of the multiplication sign. So 3 times 2/5 also means 3 groups of 2/5. So I'm going to start using a model. So I'm going to make my 3 equal groups. And we know that equal groups is a repeated addition strategy, so I'm going to add my addition signs. Now each group needs to have my other factor. My other factor is 2/5, so 3 groups of 2/5. So I'm going to put 2/5 in each group. Now to get my product, I'm going to count the number of fifths shaded. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, 6/6. So our answer should be 6/5. Now that would be how we would solve with models. Now we're going to look at how we would solve with symbols using an equation. So you're going to multiply your whole number by your numerator. And that's going to give you the numerator for your product. 3 times 2 gets us 6, so our numerator should be 6. Notice we have a 6 in the numerator when we multiplied with models. Now, the denominator is easy. It just stays the same as the denominator of our factor. So if it's fifths here, the answer is going to be fifths. Even when we solved using symbols, we got the same product. So whichever strategy you're more comfortable with is a strategy you can use.